Today we are going to do what we call a math sprint. So you need your math journal, some counters, a 5-frame, and a pencil. Or you might choose to just use your math journal, your fingers, and a pencil. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. So why don't you gather all the supplies so you can make your choice. So the math sprints, you need to pause the video and get supplies. Go ahead. And then come turn with me to math sprints. They begin on page 7. Now, when you do a sprint, it's like a quick race. So that means we're trying to go quickly. We're going to work as quickly as we can today. So we are going to work as quickly as we can to complete these number bonds. They're called sprints. So I could use a 5-frame. That might help me. Or I could use my fingers because I have 5 fingers on each hand. And I'll show you 2 ways to do it. Don't start while I'm talking because remember, it's going to be a race. So you just listen. And then when you're ready, you can tell yourself on your mark, get set, go. All right. So you're going to, one more thing. If you forget which way a number goes, don't forget to look up here at your number line. That will help you. Okay, so on the top of my number bond, I have the whole number. So I know I have 6. So if I'm doing it with math counters, I would get 6. And I would put them on my 5-frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 1 extra, 6. So I know that 6 is 5 and 1 more. So I could put 1 more in here. Okay. Now, I don't have to use my beans every time because if I use beans, that's actually going to slow me down. The best way to do it is to do it in your head, but we still need the right answer. So if we don't know, we're going to use the beans or our fingers, and I'll show you how to use fingers in a minute. But let's try another one with the beans. So this one, I have 10 in all, and I know part is 5. Well, maybe I know this one in my head. I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So I could just write a 5 in here. I don't need beans for that one because I knew it. 8, though, I'm not sure. If I have 8 and I have 5 in the 5-frame, how many extra am I going to have? I don't know. So I'm going to get my beans because I don't want to guess wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can tell that I have 3 extra. So I would write a 3. Okay. Now I could do the same thing with 7. Or maybe I could just leave these 5 beans in here and know that that is 5, and then I could just count on. That would be faster. I could say 5, 6, 7. I just need 2 more. And then I could pick up my extra. And when I have 9, I could say 5 because I already know there's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 4 extra. That's faster. Let's try another way. Let's try our fingers. All right, so now I know I have 6. I could put up 6 fingers. And I know I have 5 fingers on one hand. There's my 5. How many extra do I have? 1. Now I could put up 10 fingers. I know I have 5 on one hand. How many extras? 5. Now I have 9 fingers. I know I have 5 on one hand. How many extras? 4. All right, so that's some strategies, but the best way to think of strategies is to come up with them yourself. So you are going to do your best to complete this as quickly as you can, like a fast sprint. If you need help, you are going to use counters and a 5-frame, or you can use your fingers, okay? And remember, accuracy is more important than speed. It's more important. It's most important you get the answers correct. And the second thing we're going to try to do is go faster. You're going to get to do this for 3 days. So you will probably get a little faster each day. Have fun sprinting.